Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok's balance. So here, I'm going to start by opening the TikTok app first. Okay, so before I go to show you the steps, I'm going to tell you a little bit about TikTok balance. So the TikTok's balance can varies or refers to multiple things. So the one of them is that it is a centralized platform that tracks in-app transaction, coins, and rewards. So the TikTok coins or the TikTok apps coins is the app's in-app currency that users can exchange for virtual items or use to boost their clips. And there are also TikTok gifts, the virtual tokens that viewers purchase with TikTok coins to watch live streams and scroll through posts. So here I'm going to show you where is the balance or how to see if you have money on your TikTok. First, you can just head to your profile, click on this profile button, and then click on the three lines at the top, and you'll see the balance option. So just let's tap on that. So in here under the TikTok balance page, you will see a few items. There are coins, live rewards, others in here. So the others, let's see what others is. Okay, so there's nothing. And here you can see I have 0 coins. If you want to top up your coin, you can just click on this get coins, and you'll see lots of amount that you can choose. If you the amount of coins that you can purchase, you can click on one of them and click on recharge. And in here, if you go back, there's also live rewards. So live rewards is the amount of money that you get while you are doing live stream on your TikTok. Here you can see the amount in here, your balance, your TikTok's balance, or if whether or not you have money, you can see it in here, these two items right here. So this simple tutorial, I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.